I hacked the Matrix, I escaped, and I'm back to free your minds, like Morpheus.
Chilling in Dubai. This is what happens when you're outside the Matrix. You're geographically free. Anyone who's watched the Matrix carefully understands that the people inside of the Matrix realize that something isn't right. So they escape the Matrix. Once they've escaped the Matrix, they realize how the Matrix works, and they plug back into the Matrix with new powers. And then they hack the Matrix, and then they escape again. That's what I do. I hope you're paying attention to me. I hope you can hear me over my W16 quad turbo 8-liter Bugatti. Wait, what? Chiron Pure Sport. I hope it's not too loud for you when it's idling here in the middle of the night in Dubai. You're sitting there going, oh, what work for all the bills to pay. None of those things are real. There is no spoon. Money's not real. The numbers on the screen. We're about to pass another 1.5 trillion for government spending. What are they going to spend it on? Nobody knows. It's going to somebody. You think I'm rich because I have a $5.5 million goal? That's nothing. Chump change. I consider myself poor. You're sitting here with a nightstand and consider yourself pretty well off. I'm doing okay, actually. I put some money in my 401. Money's not real. You still believe in the spoon. I don't believe in the spoon. That's how I bend things. Do you understand? I'm the little monk kid that bends the spoon. I'm the man who walks in Jacob & Co. and says, how much is the watch that's going to match my Bugatti? And he says $455,000. And I think, that's a bargain. I'm the man who just contacted the Burj Khalifa trying to put his name all over it. That's me. I'm that guy. I tell you these things. I waste my time like the fucking philanthropic, nice, beautiful, gorgeous, handsome man I am, explaining I came from nothing. I hacked the Matrix. I escaped, and I'm back to free your minds, like Morpheus. I'm making the call. I'm trying to give you the red pill. And even though I have $5.5 million car, 26 more cars at home, and millions of dollars, and all this monumental success, people still sit there and go, I don't know if I can trust it. You can't trust me, who can you trust? Your university professor? He's an agent. He's a slave to the machine. You must wake up, and you're only going to escape with my help.